Only 4% people with disabilities graduate in India. India has a population of over 26.8 million people with disabilities, which is equal to the entire population of Sri Lanka. And they are 3 times more likely to face poverty. Most digital spaces are inaccessible. In fact, over 96% web excludes people with disabilities. My name is Shakul and I am one of the co-founders at iSTEM. The origin of iSTEM is extremely personal for us. I had the will to learn but ended up missing on so many opportunities because the resources weren't built to be used by someone like me. So a few of us started converting the content and sharing it. That small act grew into iSTEM. iSTEM transitioned from converting the content to developing the technology to solve for this. We developed Enclude that converts inaccessible content into accessible and usable formats. Many people with disabilities don't know what careers are possible, and there are also low expectations within the community as well. Our next step is to use AI to map people's interests with real career paths. We provide a clear pathways from aspiration to success. iSTEM is an in-house AI platform making education, jobs, and services accessible for people with disabilities. Our system adds detailed descriptions, uses speech-to-speech AI in local languages, and even works for low literacy learners. We are shifting from closed models to open source like Llama, LiveKit, Grafana, with a modular API-driven design. It scales easily and integrates with government platforms like Sugamya Bharat. We also connect users to government schemes, assistive tools, and disability resources. Basically, everything that they need to succeed independently. Using the latest in agentic AI, we enable task completion, helping our users to book a train ticket, applying for jobs, or completing a form, and so much more, especially when the underlying UI is inaccessible.
A community of like-minded individuals can be very helpful, and iSTEM provides an opportunity and a platform to connect students with disability and help them facilitate their careers. I had a really nice experience connecting with iSTEM so far, and it also helped me find an opportunity with Morgan Stanley, and I would really encourage everyone to connect with them.
As students with disability, we often face low expectations from society. I with that too, where several people told me that I won't be able to pursue a career in STEM as a person with blindness. But Enclude's career discovery helped me change that perception. Once I had that conviction, I used the accessibility conversion service to convert my inaccessible course material into accessible format.
By 2026, iSTEM will empower 100,000 students, make over 25 million of pages content accessible, connect more than 500,000 people with disabilities to jobs, and expand our reach to 50 other countries. And true success isn't just about numbers. For us, success means when every person with disability can live an independent and dignified life in the mainstream society with autonomy, livelihood, and freedom to make their own choices. This is about possibility. When technology includes everyone, every dream has a chance to grow.